Mr. Doe and Miss Karpinski go to Chipotle for lunch. Mr. Doe orders 3 tacos and 2 burritos for $8.50, and Miss Karpinski orders 4 tacos and 1 burrito for $8. How much do tacos cost? How much do burritos cost? Okay, so right away, remember we're looking for things that are either unknown or they're changing. So in this case, it's literally just asking us directly the question. How much do tacos cost? Let's call that T. This is the cost of tacos. How much do burritos cost? Let's call that B. This is the cost of burritos. Okay, now what do we know? Well, we know that both Mr. Doe and Miss Karpinski had orders, and we know the cost, and we know how much they got of each thing. And so we can use that information to write equations. So, for example, Mr. Doe, he orders 3 tacos. So he's going to 3 times whatever the price of a taco is, right? This is the price. That's what we want to know. So whatever the price of a taco is, he's going to pay it 3 times. And then he also orders 2 burritos, and whatever that price is, he's going to pay that 2 times. And he spends a total of $8.50. Now, Miss Karpinski, she orders 4 tacos and 1 burrito. So she's going to pay that burrito cost only once, right? And the taco cost 4 times. And she pays $8. Okay, so now we have a system. I notice they're both in standard form. I'm going to use elimination. And I notice here I have a couple options, right? I could make these the same. I could make this. I could multiply by -4 and 3, and I could get 12. Let's do the easier one here, which is I notice this is a 2, and this is a 1. So if I just multiply 1, I can get 2 here, right? But I don't want this to, so if this is a 2, I want this to be a -2. So what do I need to multiply by? I need to multiply by -2, okay? Now, note that in this case, 1 times 2 is 2. But in some situations, I might have to multiply both equations. Like, for example, if I only had a situation like this, I would multiply this by 3, and I'd get 12. And this by -4, and I get -12. In this case, I only need to multiply this bottom one. So I'm multiplying by -2. Okay, what do I get? I get -8t minus 2b equals -16. And I'm just going to copy this guy right on top. And I'm going to use my calculator. Okay, because this is going to be a decimal, and it's a pain in the butt. So I'm not going to deal with it. So this is 8.5, right? 850 is the same as 8.5 minus 16. So that's -7.5, which I'm then going to divide, right? I'm dividing on both sides by -5. And I get t equals 1.5. Now, I know that we're talking about prices. So I know that I'm going to add a 0 to this and make it $1.50. So a taco is $1.50. And let's go ahead and find the price of a burrito. And I can plug into either of these equations. So I'm going to just plug into this bottom one. Oops. So instead of t, I'm writing 150. And this is just 1b. So 4 times 150, again, you're going to use your calculator. 4 times 150 is 6. I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides, and I get a burrito is $2. Okay, and you can check, right? Like let's just check using this equation. If a taco is $3, so that's 3 times $1.50, and a burrito is $2, so that would be 2 burritos. That should add up to $8.50, and it does. Looks good. So I'm going to write tacos cost $1.50, and burritos cost $2.